Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Instagram app if it's not working correctly on your iPhone or iOS device. There's multiple solutions in this video, so let's go into the first one. Basically, let's open the Instagram app and it's at this page right here, the login page, and let's just say that it's not working or there's a black screen or is essentially not loading at all. What you can do is go back to the home screen and press and sort of hold and swipe up from the bottom, and that is going to show you all of the different applications that are currently running on your device at the moment. And what you can do is you can press and hold the individual application like this, and press and hold it and swipe it all the way up, and that will close the individual application. It will close the Instagram app so that we can re-access it. We can go back and press the Instagram app button, and that will relaunch the Instagram app so that you can hopefully fix all the issues from there. However, if things are still not working, go to settings and make sure that you're actually using a good internet connection. So you can check that by going to the Wi-Fi section. It says that I'm connected to my EE Wi-Fi, full bars, so I know that there's no issues right there. You can also connect to a personal hotspot, or even just go down to the mobile data section and make sure that mobile data is toggled on and that the roaming is on underneath as well. Also, there may be an issue with Instagram actually connecting to the mobile data because it might not even have cellular or mobile data access. So you want to scroll down in mobile data section and find the Instagram app and make sure that it's not toggled off. If you see it like this is a problem. You want to toggle it back on so that Instagram can start accessing mobile data, because it needs mobile data actually to download all of the images and videos and music from other users on the application. However, from there, if you're still experiencing difficulties, make sure to actually check that you're running the latest version of the application software. So we can do this by going to the App Store. It's this blue button in the middle of my home screen. Press in there, go to the right hand side, the search button, and then at the top, start typing in Instagram. Press search at the bottom right, and then from there scroll down to find the Instagram app. And as you can see on the right hand side, there's a button with blue text that says open. That means that we're running the latest version of the app. But if your button has the word update, that means that we still need to update to the most recent version of this app. So press the update button and it will download all of the files and reinstall the latest version of Instagram on your iOS device. However, if we're still experiencing difficulties, make sure to swipe up and go to the settings, go out of here and scroll down until you find general, and then iPhone storage in the middle of the screen, and then scroll all the way down until we find the Instagram app. It's right here, click into there, and what we're going to do is actually clear all of the cache from this app on this device. So you go to the offload app blue text button, press that, confirm by pressing the offload app button again. That's going to remove all of the cache from this application on this device. And then what we can do is press the blue reinstall app button to actually reinstall the entire application. And hopefully that fixes all of the issues for your Instagram app on your iPhone or iOS device. However, guys, if things are still not running the way that they should be, make sure to just completely delete the Instagram app by pressing the red delete app text button from within this page, and then confirm by pressing delete app again. That will completely remove Instagram from your device. And then what you can do is swipe up, go to the App Store, and then type in Instagram again. And you can see Instagram is right here with, on the right hand side, there's a cloud icon in blue with a downwards pointing arrow. That means that we've downloaded Instagram app on our App Store account in the past. And what we can do is press that button and it will download the application all over again. And once it fully downloads successfully, hopefully you can press the application, open into it, and everything works smoothly from there. However, guys, if there are still a bunch of issues and you're not able to access Instagram correctly on your device, what you can do is go to Instagram's website, find an email or a help desk number or even a live chat option, and speak to them directly and walk them through all of the different issues that you're experiencing trying to get access to Instagram. And if you're still having difficulties, please comment down below on this video and just tell me what's happening, tell me what your problems are with getting access to Instagram, and I will try and help you find a solution and get you using Instagram again. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Thank you.